Hi everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Catalina Yoneder from Santiago, Chile. I am a ecotourism student. The subject of this presentation is volunteer tourism. Today's topic is of particular interest to those of you who like to travel for different places. It is about volunteer tourism, a trend that has positioned itself among world travelers. My talk is divided into two parts. The first is to describe what volunteer tourism, and the second part is explain why it's become an important tool for tourism. This won't take more than 5 minutes. If you have any questions, feel to interrupt me. We'll have conversation. According to an article I read recently, Wern's definition 2001, volunteer tourism encompasses those tourists who, for various reasons, volunteer in an organized manner while on vacation and may involve helping or alleviating the material poverty of certain groups in society, the restoration of certain environments, or research on aspects of society and the environment. In this part of my presentation, I would like to talk about the effects of volunteer tourism on volunteers. Positive effects. Economic, social, and environmental benefits can be distinguished. Economic growth in the destination is detected thanks to volunteer tourism, increase in teaching materials and construction of new schools thanks to tourist donation. Let us now look at the slide showing the graph of a survey carried out Ecuador on volunteer tourism. You can see that the different colors have been used to indicate the four fundamental actions. In general, the 95% of respondents defined volunteering as a tool for the development of community-based tourism. The 53rd in the cultural aspect, the 18th in the organization, the 16th in the economy, the 13th in the environment. Let me point out that the graph seen above establishes the interest of the volunteer to carry out the action through a program that formally integrates into the communities. I am coming to the end of my talk. In a nutshell, it is important to understand that volunteer tourism can be a really positive tool for the community and the environment. In my opinion, as future project managers, I recommended including this issue as a fundamental factor for social and tourism development. Are there any questions? I want to thank you for your attention and cordially say goodbye.